Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Now, in continuation of Festus Igiewe's request that I should enlighten him on the Igbo phenomenon in Nigeria, Festus Igiewe, he wrote in the comment box, he said, "Paul, can you enlighten me on the Igbo phenomenon in Nigeria? I happen to believe that the Igbos, in spite of all the hype, are not more accomplished than any of the major tribes in Nigeria." So he was saying, or he said, he was of the view, or he is of the view that the Igbo phenomenon is just a mere hype, that in his estimation, that I should enlighten him on that, because he believed that the Igbo phenomenon is a hype and that the Igbos are not more accomplished than other major tribes in Nigeria. That is why I'm doing this particular video, which was also part of the issue that was discussed in the book, The Igbo Phenomenon. And the question that is posed is, are the Igbos the most intelligent Africans? Are the Igbos the most intelligent Africans? Now let us go through documented report. In 2015, a United States report posited that the Igbo are the most brilliant black African race. A United States academic report for 2015 suggested that the Igbo of southeastern Nigeria are the most brilliant black African race. Now, according to the report, a search through the promotional materials of schools for a black student, all schools and colleges will always show some black faces in their promotional materials, if they have any, reveals that they have had at least one black student, and it was unsurprisingly a Nigerian Igbo. Now, this follows the report on the story of two teenage Nigerian high school students who broke a record of being accepted by 8 Ivy League schools in the United States. Besides that recent reports of a number of students in the United States of America and Europe, performing spectacularly well. There were reports of students, black students, performing spectacularly well in United States and Europe. Now, these two students were Augusta Uwamanzu Nna and Harold Eke, who both students secured admission into all the 8 Ivy League schools in the United States of America. Now, because of that, it brought attention to the intelligence of the Igbo people of Southeast Nigeria, and that had been also constant issues of discussion. Is there anything special about their capacity to perform academically? Now, in the world of intellectually gifted schools, perhaps the most selective in the United States is a special program called the Davidson Academy. Now, this Davidson Academy was started by Jane and Bob Davidson in 2006 in Reno, in Nevada. Now, this school boasts about the brightest and the brightest you can get anywhere in the United States. Because for you to be accepted in this school, you must have the highest of the 5 levels of giftedness. And your IQ must be so high that you can be able to qualify to enter this school. Now, only one in every 10,000 American children can qualify to enter the school. Only one out of 10,000 American students or American children can be qualified to enter this school. Now, this school, their method of admission is so stringent, more stringent than that of Stanford or Harvard can ever be. And they are not pretending that they want diversity. As far as they are concerned, if it is only Indians that was able to meet the highest level of giftedness that they are looking for, they are ready to admit only Indians that year or that session. Yeah, in America, they have what they call affirmative action, whereby they can lower the process so that to accommodate blacks and some other minorities, okay, so that they can have diversity. But this Davidson school does not have such. They are only admitting the best of the best, the highest IQ. Now, this school surprisingly had very few blacks, and those blacks were Igbos. Those blacks were Igbos that have been admitted to that school. So that is one of the things to note. Now, there is a Zambian scholar, Chanda Chisala. He is a John S. Knight visiting fellow at the Hoover Institution and a Reagan Fiscal Fellowship at the National Endowment for Democracy that is involved in territories outside the United States of America. In the analysis that this Zambian scholar did by using students in the United Kingdom, in her article where she wanted to study about the brilliance of the Igbo, and he concluded that the black students are ahead than other students in the United Kingdom and even Asians. And this black student he was talking about were basically Igbos. We are mainly Igbos. So in the piece he wrote about it called Blacks, especially Igbos, prove more intelligent than whites, including the Asian leaders. You can Google it and go and read her research work on that. You can write it down and go and look at it. The title of the piece is Blacks, especially Igbos, prove more intelligent than whites, including the Asian leaders. Now, back home in Nigeria, a few examples will show that the Igbo children here in Nigeria are doing very well in their studies compared to their peers from other parts of the country. When the West African Examination Council released the performance statistics of the candidate that participated in the 2015 May-June West African Senior Secondary School examination organized by the council, Southeast, which is the core Igbo land, according to the statistics, topped the list of performance based on states that had at least 5 credits in at least 5 subjects, including mathematics and English. Abia State topped the list in the whole country. Anambra came second. Imo came fourth. Delta, part of it are Igbo. Enugu, and the Ebonyi states came 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th positions, respectively. In other words, the Igbo-speaking part of Nigeria dominated the top 10 of the best results. It is also instructive to note that in 2013, 2014, 2015, and 2016, WAEC results show that only Lagos featured in the top 10 list of the best performing students in Nigeria, which continued to be dominated by states from the southeast. Now, in 2017, Abia State again recorded the best results in May-June West African Senior School Certificate Examination. Southeast had 4 states in the top 10, ranking Abia as first, Imo 4th, Anambra 6th, Enugu 9th. In 2018 WAEC results, Southeast again topped the charts ahead of other geopolitical zones. In 2019, Abia, Anambra spearheaded Southeast dominance of the performance of performance ranking charts of the West African Examination Council. Now, my friend Festus Igiewe, you can make anything you like out of this information, but there is no doubt about it that this is a sign of the Igbo phenomenon, and it is something that other people can also learn, how the Igbo put their mind on something and pursue it and achieve success in it. When they put their mind in academics, they excel in it. If they put their mind in business, they excel in it. And if Nigeria is a normal country where things are done properly, if the Igbos also put their mind in politics, they will succeed. But because the politics of Nigeria goes against the grain of the real, what policies should be all about, so you can see the way it is, and then you can see the kind of leadership that Nigeria has been producing to the detriment of the whole nation. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.